welcome back. They're islands of heritage right in the middle of a bustling metro. And even if the debate over the past and practical rages, the Maharashtra government seems to have jumped the gun. In the name of restoration, it has poured cement over 400-year-old monuments, leaving conservationists up in arms.
Step into the 17th century and savor a slice of Portuguese rule at Mumbai's Shivri Fort. Now step outside and step back. Freshly plastered cement covers this fort, one of four in the heart of Mumbai being restored by the state government. But it's this so-called restoration that has conservationists up in arms. Grey cement papering over the flavor of the past.
You expect the local state archaeology to respect materials, and in any conservation, authenticity of materials is paramount, and that's very important. And therefore, when the original construction used stone and lime, to use Portland cement compromises the integrity of that structure.
It's a sentiment born of this glaring contrast. The Shivri Fort before, the Shivri Fort now. And here, the Bandra Fort before and the Bandra Fort after.
This is the Shivri Fort, the 500-year-old heritage of Mumbai, which the state ASI is now attempting to restore with cement. It now looks like any present-day construction, but perhaps the beauty of a monument lies in its rustic elements and its old charm.
The state government is spending 7.5 crore rupees on restoring 4 of Mumbai's 10 forts, and officials say there is just not enough limestone to go around.
Basically, procuring lime mortar and preparing lime mortar in the present condition with the lack of technical know and the labor, it is rather difficult and time consuming.
A piece of history altered forever. But the question is some restoration better than none? In Mumbai with Prerna Thakur Desai, Samriddhi Grover for NDTV.